Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, May 7th, 2018. After day, 14 days to go. Math. Tonight, there's no homework. We are continuing our in-class project. We should be hopefully done here in the next couple days and get ready for our presentations over our graphing unit. Science, hopefully you completed the optional soil review over the weekend to give you a little bit of extra credit. If you did, congratulations. If you did not, shame on you. There's an extra credit opportunity that you missed out on. This evening, you need to review for your soil test, which is tomorrow. Social studies, but we have our project work. Everything is due. The end of class on Wednesday. We'll be having our travel fair on Thursday. Language arts, your prom promise letter is due by 7:45 a.m. tomorrow via Google Classroom. Make sure it is submitted on time. Then, in literature, you need to read AR. All points are due 2 weeks from this Friday. We also need to make sure that we are studying vocab. That is it for this Monday. Make it a great one.